Now we are evolved in little higher stage human consciousness because of the internet, WhatsApp, YouTube. We are able to listen many lectures on many subjects. But at present, only if you are showing through the experiment what you are speaking is working on you, then people will follow. Otherwise, slowly, effect of mechanical lecture is reducing. Now it is our duty to live the principle. If you live the principle, you will feel change within and you will feel change around. And you will be able to do anything. If you are only listening and remembering, enjoying that thought, not living that, then it will give you little joy, not eternal joy. Try to realize this. Let us think of atoms. Inside atom we got power, we got knowledge, which brings realization that my image and speech, whatever I say, whatever my figure is, it is omnipresent, it is not limited. When I start speaking, I take help of atomic power, that is internet. Then I am able to project real nature. My photo, my sound is now omnipresence. From anywhere you can listen it. It means glory of atom is infinite. You cannot say this is garbage, this is dust particle, this is clay particle. Then what is the truth? Try to appreciate, welcome each and every atom. How to welcome? Therefore, when you are going, something you say, this is the bad water, this is the sewer water, this is holy Ganges water, this is Yamuna river water, this is tubewell water. Each and every water is having its own value. What is the value of sewer water? That is not going to work with the Ganges water. If on green plants, green crops, then we need those water which is called dirty water, which is called sewer water. Therefore, you cannot say, you cannot compare each and every creation having its own infinite value. You cannot compare this is good, this is better, this is best. You cannot say this. Follow this truth. From today onwards, try to remember this. Each and every creation value is infinite. We are not knowing it, we will know it. How we will know it? Within head to toes, there exists creation of all kinds. All electronic kingdom, plant kingdom, animal kingdom, human kingdom, angel kingdom, devil's kingdom, all exist within. If you feel head to toes, appreciate, love all changes, then you are practicing truth. What is truth? Just to love. How to love? We do not know how to love. Start from here. But I am tired. This is not tiredness. This is dimension of consciousness. If you are not able to tolerate, you sit down. You lie down. Try to change your posture, position, whatever. But do not say it is tiredness. If you are sick, cause of this sickness is because from many months we are ignoring. Many changes we are feeling inside, we were ignoring it, not able to concentrate. Therefore, illness, sickness arrives. Try to understand sincerely this important point. You have to love to honor yourself. If you are not honoring yourself, you cannot honor to anyone in the world. How to honor yourself? We have tongue. Tongue's nature is to taste. Who is tasting? Mind is tasting various things. Therefore, you have to appreciate function of the tongue. You cannot say, I don't like this taste, I do not like that taste. You do not like, have very little quantity, but you have to practice oneness with the taste. Somebody say, I don't like this taste, I will not eat. I like this taste, I will eat. This is not true. You have to honor your tongue. How many varieties of taste? Somebody say, I don't like spices. Why you don't like spices? You have to take spices, which is seed in nature, not leaf, not bark. Take a small quantity. It is not that you have to take good quantity, big quantity. If you say, I do not like spices, then inside there is thought, I am great. I cannot eat chili, inside thought is there, that plain food is good, sattvic. No. You have to honor your tongue. You do not like chili, take little amount. You do not like this spice seed, this spice seed, take little quantity. Take one seed and chew it. In the same way, all kind of fruits, all kind of the grains should be mature, fruits should be mature. Try to appreciate function of tongue. Do not say this fruit is having bad taste. There is no bad taste. If fruit is not fermented, is not in bad condition, you have to welcome it. If you are not welcoming taste, you are not honoring your tongue. In this way, try to honor yourself. Suppose that your ear is able to listen flattering sound and scolding sound. Honor your ear. Just ear is nature to listen, to catch the sound wave. Honor it. Don't say I'm closing ears. Train your mind, remain unaffected. Then you are honoring your ear. Otherwise, we will say, I will not listen. It means you are not honoring your ear. Teach your mind to remain unaffected. This is called how to honor yourself. What is the important point? In order to spread Kriya Yoga, which is the best education, no government administration is doing it. It is all done by Mahatar Babaji and disciples of Mahatar Babaji. Therefore, never think that in the government organization or administration is going to help this nation. They don't have capability. They have thought of war and fight. It is our duty. Practice Kriya Yoga meditation sincerely. Create a thought which will change the atmosphere. This is very important. Therefore, from today onwards, try to learn this, how to honor yourself. That's all. Then try to be aware where is your back, head and spine, abdomen, chest, arms, neck, face, head, nails of the toes to top of the head, and breath. Without observing them, you cannot honor. First step of honoring is to experience head to toes, various changes within. Try to remember this. Feel head to toes. Pay highest respect and honor to each and everything we feel within head to toes. Then you are honoring yourself. Then you will get a knowledge how to make a change. Never imagine that government or administration, they are capable of to bring change. No, public. Never imagine that brain is spinal cord, which is helping all cell centers, they can bring change. No. When your cell tissues are evolved, when your which so-called bone and muscles are evolved, then brain and spinal cord activity will be honored. Otherwise, it will be alone. Let us bow down to our devotion, that devotion in Kriya Yoga meditation, which is science, how to honor self, how to honor all creations of cosmos. क्रिया योग में अपनी भक्ति बढ़ाएं। इसमें हम सीखते हैं कि अपने अस्तित्व का स्वागत कैसे करें, ब्रह्मांड की सारी रचनाओं का स्वागत कैसे करें। अब हम बैठेंगे। नाउ रिटर्न टू ओरिजिनल पोजीशन।